Colossians 1:13 picks up the mention of Patri, God the Father, and is a relative clause telling us something about God. Has erusata hemas, ectes exousias, tu scatus, kai, metestesin, estein basilean, tu huiu, tes agapes autu. So, who, number, gender, taking you back to patri. Who, and this might be a little confusing for you, this is from fruomai, and when words that begin with a row get augmented, they often double that row. So that's where that row came from. So you notice it's an aorist, and it's a middle deponent. Who rescued us from the authority, or you could say dominion, something like that, from the dominion of darkness. And now, metastasin is from a lexical form that you probably don't know, but it's a little tricky. It's kind of fun to look at it. You have met, then you have your augment, and then you have stay. Well, stay is the root of histemi, isn't it? And so what happens, this may be too much, but it's kind of fun. You have meta plus histemi, and the vowel is going to drop out, and the tau is going to change to a theta because of the rough breathing. But when the rough breathing isn't there because of the augment, the theta goes back to a tau. So metastasin is a simple aorist active, and the key really is recognizing the root. But that might be a little too much. But it's just a normal aorist of methystemi. So he transferred us. He brought us into the kingdom of the Son, of the beloved, of him. So into the kingdom of his beloved Son. You notice also that what's missing? Well, what's missing is the direct object. He saved us from the authority of the darkness, and he transferred us into the kingdom of his Son. But when you have these parallel constructions in Greek, it's real common to drop out words that you're going to glean from the context. So phrasing is quite simple. He saved us from the authority of the darkness, and he understood us into the kingdom. And if you wanted to, you could say, whose kingdom? Of his Son. So you would probably want to bring that in. You would want these two verbs parallel to each other like that. And then the Son identifies whose kingdom it is.